Welcome back. In this video, we will understand various aspects of an economy, like what is an economy. An economy is a complex system that involves the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services within a particular region or country. It encompasses all the activities related to how people earn a living, how businesses operate, and how governments manage resources and finances. Economies are essential for the functioning of societies as they determine the standard of living, employment opportunities, and the allocation of resources. Further, the key components of an economy include 1. Production. This involves the creation of goods and services. It can range from manufacturing physical products to providing various services like healthcare, education, and entertainment. 2. Distribution. After production, goods and services need to be distributed to consumers. This can involve transportation, wholesale, retail, and e-commerce, among other methods. 3. Consumption. Individuals and households are the ultimate consumers who use the goods and services. Their choices and preferences drive demand within the economy. 4. Resource allocation. Decisions about how to allocate scarce resources like labor, capital, and natural resources are fundamental to an economy. This involves choices about what to produce, how to produce it, and for whom it should be produced. 5. Market mechanisms. Economies often rely on markets where buyers and sellers interact to determine prices and quantities. These market forces, including supply and demand, play a crucial role in shaping the economy. 6. Government involvement. Most economies have some level of government intervention. Governments may regulate industries, provide public goods and services, impose taxes, and implement monetary and fiscal policies to stabilize the economy. 7. Financial systems. Economies rely on financial institutions and systems to facilitate transactions, savings, investment, and borrowing. Banks, stock markets, and other financial institutions are key players in this aspect. Economists study and analyze these components to understand how economies function, how they grow or contract, and how policies and external factors can influence them. There are various types of economies, including market economies, planned or command economies, and mixed economies, each with its unique characteristics and methods of resource allocation. So, an economy is a system through which goods and services are produced, distributed, and consumed within a society or a specific geographic area, and it plays a critical role in shaping the quality of life for its inhabitants.